Hello CS community, in this video I will tell you how to add custom fonts into your Flutter application. So we will download fonts, whatever fonts we want to use into the app, and afterwards I will tell you how to add it into your Flutter app. So first of all I will search for the documentation in Flutter, and from here this is the official documentation of Flutter, how to use custom fonts. And first of all we need to add our fonts into our assets folder to use locally. And to download the fonts, there is very good website from where you can get free fonts to use into your applications, and it's dafont.com, and I want to use California font, so I will search from here. Here I have a lot of fonts, I can download whatever I want, and I will go to the next folder, and here there's one font, Californian Beach. I want to use this one, I will download it from here. And now we have the fonts, let's check it out. Here we have the fonts. If it's in this way, capital letters and or letters separated by space, you have to convert it into lowercase with underscore. And only these three extensions are supported in Flutter: TTC, TTF and OTF. So let's create this folder to store our fonts locally, and for that also I have to copy this font from here, and I will go to my Flutter project. Here in the assets folder I will create one more folder, I will name it font, and inside this folder I will paste these fonts. Okay, and now I will go to pubspec.yml, just the way we add images into pubspec file. By following the same procedure we will add fonts as well. Here you will get the easiest way is press backspace twice and then space once, and here backspace twice and then space once. And now font family is California, and here backspace twice and space once, backspace twice and space once. And we have this folder in here, what's the name of this folder? Font. And I will change this to assets / font, and I will make it Californian Beach .otf. Okay, now we will click on pubget, or also we can give the style as well. Okay, just leave it. If you want to declare the style, normal, italic, bold, you can do it in here. I'm not doing it just because I need just the normal fonts, so I will go with this. Pubget. If your format is correct, it will say process finished with exit code 0. And now we need to implement these fonts, and here I have this text field, and I will make it text style, background, font family. In the font family we will declare our font family, this one. Copy it from here, copy the name and paste it in here. That's it. The custom fonts are implemented into your Flutter app, and this way you can add whatever font you want into your app. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe my channel.